Here at Legoland California for holidays at Legoland, a new event since the park is not officially fully open, but there are some sections that have not been open for the other partially open events that they've done. We've already seen a few characters, some decorations, and it should be fun today. Let's see what else there is. So while the rides are not open, most of the park is open to explore, and you keep thinking you're seeing people, but it's actually Lego people statues, like this guy over here. Here in Funtown at Legoland California, they got the big Christmas tree up, and I noticed there's years on all the ornaments on the tree. Wonder if they'll do a 2020. They may just skip this year, but it is so cool. We got the whole Funtown to ourselves. There's no one here yet. The park opened at 12. They opened, I think, at 11:30 today because they switched the hours, but it officially opens at noon, so we may be the first ones in. Driving down, I was craving the bao from next to Ninjago, the lemongrass bao, but we stumbled upon Urban Kitchen here in Funtown, and they have freshly made spaghetti and curries and salads. It looks absolutely amazing, and the staff was as friendly as can be, just talking to the manager. Really impressed. Looking forward to it. Look at this. Freshly made. Fresh veggies, fresh chicken. They mix the curry sauce. Looks delicious. This is the spicy shrimp fettuccine and salad. Look at that.
That's a Cobb.
Oh, it's a Cobb salad. That looks good. What is that, edamame beans on it? Wow. Wow. That is amazing. Chicken curry. Look at the chicken. The curry sauce is delicious. Not only was that food delicious, it's probably like one of the best meals I've had in months. Fantastic. Actually, I hate to say this, but it was better than anything we had yesterday. And definitely better than anything than SeaWorld. So you can make your own ornament. You leave it on the tree. That is Santa Claus. Yes, that's Santa. Christmas tree. Yes, that's a Christmas tree. And this is a bulldozer. You get it? Bulldozer. This is actually the most fun I've had in a long time. We're making Legos, saw the characters, saw Lego Santa, had some amazing food. Now heading back to Miniland to look at the little displays. Now we got a pretzel. It's fresh baked too, just came out of the oven. And a chocolate mint tapioca pudding. They have these candy bars, I think they're $1 something at all the food venues. I've already had like 4 of them. This one's really good, the firecracker. It's got Chipotle in it, like Rice Krispies and sea salt. And they had a peppermint one at the last place we were at. Highly recommend it. They give you a little paper boat to put your napkins in so they're not sitting on the table. Ingenious. So I don't know what the park's capacity is, but it is so nice and calm. I don't know if it's a sold out day or if this is their capacity, but it is so peaceful just sitting here walking around looking at all the exhibits and the displays. I know the rides here are really geared towards the younger set, but if you're here on a day like this where the admission is only $15 and you really just want to come around and look at all the exhibits and the displays and the Christmas decorations, there's just no better way of doing it. So highly recommend you coming to Legoland for the holidays. With great sadness, I found that the place next to Ninjago for my lemongrass bao was not open. Even though we didn't need this pizza because we've already eaten twice since we've been here, it looked really good. Look at this. This is a kid-size pepperoni pizza and it came with a little bag of goodies. With the kids' meal you get chips, a juice drink, and this cool little bag. Like everything else we've had here at Legoland today, this pizza is incredible. And everything that we've had has been made fresh. None of it, it's not crowded at all. And you'd expect the food to just kind of be sitting around waiting for you, and everything has been made fresh. This is actually one of the best pizzas I've had in a long time too. Leaving Legoland, we were here for 3 hours, and if you don't have kids, there's still plenty to see and plenty to eat. The park was really quiet, so I don't know if that was their capacity or there's just nobody is here. I know these big theme parks are corporations, but they support a lot of employees, so support your local theme parks, do it safely. Happy holidays, subscribe and like the video.